So hello, I hope you guys are doing fine. Uh, let's get started. To be honest, I was down with fever for last 2 days, so I'm a bit tired and not feeling the like not feeling my best. So I might sound you know, a bit sick, and I'm sorry for that. I've already run the project. Let's reload it. Uh, I'm having to reload this server every time I start it. So I think you might have to do it as well if you are, following along. Um, let's wait until it gets started. So the bundle has completed. Why can't? Why isn't it? Yep. So it has loaded finally. So I think up until now it is okay. I'll go back to the design and let's go to Figma. So I think if I remember correctly, last time we talked about this icon passing to this button. So I am not sure how to do it, or is it even possible in React Native? Let's see if we can do it. Um, mm, Add custom icons in Expo. What was it? Icons. The component was icon. Mm, SVG icons. Should I search for SVG icons? SVG icons. So what they're saying is this this SVGs in React. I mean, the way this works is, so what it does, this package is called React Native SVG URI. What it does is it loads the SVG icon from the web. So, but it works on development without any problem, but in production it causes a problem. So let's read further. Meaning your SVGs shows up when you're testing your app in development or debug mode, but the second you push to Google Play Store, your SVGs are no longer rendered on Android devices. As of right now, the only known workaround is to pass the SVG content in the SVG XML data prop, but this prop can only be accessed when you link to React Native SVG using the following command. Let's read this a bit. So they are saying that we can use PNGs, icon images. That's fine, I can use the images as well. We don't have to do this way. We don't have to use this library. PNGs will be fine for my use cases. I just want to use my icon that looks like this and not looks like the built-in libraries that they offer, like Ion icons or some other icons. So if you know how to use the React Native image component, this will be a breeze. So we can have an image with some styling, and it needs to require this thing. So that's fine. That's okay. Let's do it. So in our assets, okay, so what we can do is, yes, what we can do is we can export this, and I will use 2x. Let's use 2x and export this plus. It is, why is it, why has it downloaded as zip? I don't know. That's a bit frustrating, but what can you do? Excuse me. So I think that's all right. That we can do. So I'll copy this to, no, let's do it command line style. So let's copy this. Titled iconly bold plus 2 I want to do it in my, yes, so I think we have it here now. So this is our icon. Great. So what we can do is we can go to button, component, and we can have left icon, which is optional, and this can be, I think it can be a React node. I hope React node works. So let's say if, no, we cannot do if. So let's get it here first, left icon, and left icon, and can we do that? We cannot do that. Why can't we do that? This looks very wrong, but how do I? Okay, so I think the problem is with React node. Can we do this? I think we can do this. To be honest, I don't understand this error, but let's just reload it and see our virtual device. So this JSX tags children prop expects a single child of type React node, but multiple children were provided. To be honest, I don't understand. What are they saying? These JSX tags children prop. Okay, yeah, I understand. So touchable opacity can only have one child. You cannot have two children here. So we just use React fragment. And I'm sorry because I forgot how to pass a React node to to a JSX. So I think this will work, and let's try this. I think this is a better way of doing it, because no, I'm not sure. I think it's fine. Left icon is okay. So let's go to tab 2. Let's go to tab 2. Are we recording? Yes. I'm sorry, there's an airplane going, if you can hear it. I'm sorry for that. So left icon, we can give it a left icon. Okay, that is all right. But left icon needs to be a plus sign. So what we can do is we can create the plus icon here. Let's call this plus icon, and this will be an image, I think. So we don't have a themed image. So from React Native we can have, I think we can import the image, and I will just copy and paste from here. So copy and paste. Okay. So we cannot have two default exports in one single file. So that was what causing the error. So that is fixed now. Let's see how much time left. So we have 12 minutes left. I wish I could work faster, but I am not. So I think they are not finding the correct file. So let's assets images plus. So that's fine. No, so the plus needs to be inside images. Move. So that's fine. We have moved our plus png to images for directory inside assets directory, and now it should work. The development server returned response error code 500. Why? I don't know, but before doing that, before addressing that, let's just pass our plus icon here. And what else do I need to do? Require so I think this required directory is wrong. This needs to be something like, so we are here, we have screens, and Yes, I think this will work. So we have to go up a directory and then find whatever we have to find. So let's try to reload it. The bundling is complete. So yeah, we see the icon has appeared, but it's too big, and it's not, beside admit. So let's make it the right size. Let's give it 25. 25 seems kinda like the original that we have. We can also try to measure the size of the original original icon. So the original icon is 36 by 36, but it is without, with regard to, with calculating this extra space that these icons have. So otherwise only the icon is 30 by 30. So I think it can be a bit bigger, 30 by 30. Too big. Let's stick with 25. That looks okay. And in our button component, this can be a view. Let's see. So yes, so from view, you can have a view, and we will have a style, styles dot container wrapper, and why is it these JSX tags children prop expects a single child? I'm not sure why I'm getting this from view, but let's get this view from here. So I think the problem should be gone away. What? I'm not sure, but let's have a styles called wrapper. So wrapper will be justify content, space. To be honest, I don't think we need this. I'm not sure though. Styles dot wrapper. Does it work? It's not working. I just reloaded the app. Let's see how much time do we have left. We have 5 minutes. Okay. So where am I getting this? mm, JSX.element. Maybe this is what causing the problem. I'm not sure. JSX.element. Okay, so that was the problem with TypeScript, and that problem is gone away now. So can we okay. Okay, no, so that did not help. What can we do? So we can flex direction row. Okay, so flex direction row does the job. Okay, so we need to have, I think, align items. Okay, so this is okay. So that's that. Just 30 minutes just to have an icon. But this is what it is like. So what can be done? Think we can add a medicine. So that's how it's named, add a medicine. So okay, so another thing what we can do is this plus icon we can make an own component, I mean separate component. So let's, how much time do we have left? So we have only 2 minutes. So let's make it class icon.tsx. So let's interface with number, height, number, and class icon. Okay, so this we need to call this an interface to show this is an interface, and width and height, let's give it a default value of 25 and 25, and we can get rid of the hard-coded values. So now we can import the plus icon. Okay, so we have done it. So I thought when you give it a default value, TypeScript do not, complain for these things. That's what I thought, but we can make this optional. So that's great. And I think, yeah, let's stop here. Let's stop here. Our time is over. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.